Welcome to the OSU-OKC library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use My Favorites in Pete's portal. First, you'll need to access your library account from the OSU-OKC library website by clicking on the Pete's portal link on the left side of your screen. Then, click the Sign In link at the top right of your screen and log in with your OKey login address and password. Begin by doing a keyword search in the search box on the Pete's portal page. In the search results, click the pen icon to save any relevant items to your research to your My Favorites. If you wish to remove an item from your My Favorites, click the pen icon with the slash through it. You can access the items you have saved by clicking the pen icon next to your name in the sign-in area. Here you will see a list of items you saved to your My Favorites. You can add labels to organize items into groups by clicking the Add Labels for each item, or by selecting all the items here and then clicking Add Labels. The labels you have created can be found on the right side of the screen. Click a label to see the items in that group. If you need further assistance with My Favorites, please contact the OSU-OKC Library at 405-945-3251 or by email at okc.reference@okstate.edu.